How to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest TikTok. So the thing is, there are a couple of things that you must be considering. If you are under 16, you won't be able to start or go to a live session. And also, if you have less than 1,000 followers, you cannot start or access any live. Or if the user itself has restricted, you shall not be able to go to the live as a guest TikToker as well. And once you are done, let's start with the process. Tap on the three line at the very top and here go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on report a problem here. Now wait for it to load. Now you will see all of the topics, the mostly asked topics and the something that will be deletable. Just go for the live option here. Now here also you will be having a bunch of options that you can choose from. Just search for your problem, that is can't join the live as a guest. If not, just go to the search bar and search for the problem itself. I'll be typing can't join live. Now you will see the first option. I'll be just tapping on it. You can do the same. Now, as that article didn't help, we will just go ahead and tap on no, and then we will tap on need more help option, which is at the bottom. So we'll just tap on that. Now here you can add a screenshot or video regarding the problem, or you can just type it like me, and you can just copy paste the same thing, or you can create your very original. And after some time you will able to receive a recovery email from TikTok, and you can do the same procedure mentioned in the email. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.